Look at this here. Can you hear me now? The meeting got end up.
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Look at this here. Yes, many of you are. Look at this here. From this point, beta. From this point, I just joined B8. From this point, I just drawn an arc. ठीक है, कुछ भी एक drawn. I have drawn an arc. I have drawn an arc like this. ठीक है, I have drawn an arc. Is it clear with everyone? Guys, and from this I have drawn an arc like this. From the point where I have this, listen to me carefully, everyone. Many of you are joining late. See, hello, can you hear me? Tushar, can you hear me? Tushar, can you hear me? Tushar, are you here? He has joined just now. Look at this here. So from this point I have drawn this arc. Okay. Now what I am doing here, listen to me carefully. From this point I'm drawing one more arc like this. Okay, so this arc, from this one I just drawn one more arc like this, so which is cutting the point here, right? So through that I have that A8B. So A8B, through that point of intersection I have. Now similarly at A3, you just draw an arc like this. Dekho, draw an arc like this from A3 with the same length, whichever the length you took here, जो भी इधर length लिया था आपने, whatever the length you took to draw this blue color arc, with the same length from A3 you draw one more arc, and from where the point, the arc is starting, from there again you with the same length you just draw this. All right. Now what happens? You will get look at this here. From this you will draw an arc. Guys, I'm unable to draw properly with this rough pen tab. So okay, so with this, from this point again you have to draw this, and look at this. Now from the, you just join this a point like this. Okay, and let us consider this as point P. ये हो गया मेरा 3, ये हो गया मेरा 5. ठीक है, and now these two lines are parallel. That is how the proper diagram will take place. Any doubts here? Any doubt here?
Hello. Taking an arc. Any doubt, beta? Make it fast, children.
Sir, rather than cutting the arcs, can we just use a normal ruler and then just mark it?
Ruler?
It won't make a difference.
I didn't get you. Normal ruler means? Iska tarika,
I mean, like using a scale.
You can mark it, but like accurately. If you draw like this, what happens is like examiner. So you are going to write a board exam, right? So
okay, yeah.
For examiner, he should understand that yes, this particular student, he knows the concept. Simply देखो, हाँ हम कर सकते हैं भाई, देखो कोई problem नहीं है उसमें, लेकिन you don't have anything actually. You can make a random triangle like this, दो parallel line लगाओ, इधर point हो गया मेरा 3, 5, खत्म. ये भी diagram होता है, मगर examiner should understand that yes, this particular student know about the concept. He knows exact concept. So that is the reason he took exact proper line. I'm sure 110%. I'm sure no examiner, no paper evaluator, will check with a scale. By the help of वो scale लेके ऐसा नहीं मापेगा वो. ठीक है? So no one is going to check your diagram. No one is going to check your diagram with a scale. No one. But it should draw with the proper arc. So like there would be an efficient, what do you call that? That effective diagram. This is not effective diagram. This is an effective diagram. So can you find the difference between these two now? You are going to write. So आपके पास like 4 out of 4 marks. इसमें you have a chance of getting 3 marks. Let's say that you are getting this question for 4 marks. There is a chance of getting 3 marks only by looking at the diagram. Yes, you have absolute, you have absolute proper diagram here. There is a 110% chances of getting 4 out of 4 marks. ठीक है? You can draw with a random circle. इसमें कोई गलती नहीं होगा. And 110% he is not going to check your diagram as well. I'm sure he's not going to check. He's not going to check your diagram by measuring the length of the scale. No, by using scale he will never check. He won't be having that much time. But in case अगर worst case में एक पेपर evaluator थोड़ा उसका दिमाग सटक गया तो क्या करेंगे वो, तो चेक करने वाला वो भी चेक कर लेंगे. तो in that worst case also you have to be so perfect. उसीलिए like we are preparing it for that worst case. समझ में आया आपको? Getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, in worst case they might like check your like in worst case 110% they will not check, but yes 99.999% no, he will not check, but yeah 0.11111 there might be a chance of 0.00001% chances are there he might check your lens. but जब देखने में देखो ये कितना है 8 सेंटीमीटर का लाइन सेगमेंट है, तो देखने में कैसे दिखना है 3 5, देखो 3 इधर होना चाहिए 5 ये होना चाहिए, इट शुडंट लुक लाइक 3 इधर हो गया 5 इधर हो गया, देखो भाई ये कहाँ से मिल गया डायग्राम, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी रॉन्ग. समझ में आ रहा है आपको पीपल? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, be careful. So this is how, hope it is clear. And while drawing this arc and need not to mention everything in a construction, what should be written in the construction. Simple, make the construction very simple. So when the paper evaluator is looking at your paper, you should understand that yes, step by step दिख रहा है मुझे, चलो 4 out of 4 marks, 2 out of 2, whatever the maximum marks for the question he will give you. All right, hope it is clear now. And how many of you send me the question, third question as well? And then, sorry, third question, I didn't give it time to draw, right? Look at this second question, let me draw and show it to you. Second question के लिए मेरे पास, हाँ, second question, guys, everyone have a look at the second one. Second question, draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Let me just explain you properly by everyone draw along with me, guys.
Everyone मेरे साथ. One second, let me copy the question. Very, very important type of question. Why? Because you don't have triangle concept here. You have क्या हुआ है? One second. Look at this, very, very good question. Understand this question carefully. All right. ध्यान से सुनिए. One second. अरे भाई. Look at this, draw a circle, the radius of 3 centimeters. ठीक है, मैंने 3 सेंटीमीटर का एक radius 3 centimeter. You just guys take a scale and just put your compass needle on 0 to 3. Take the 3 centimeter length on the scale and make a center point from anywhere. Guys, everyone knows how to draw the 3 centimeter radius of circle, right? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, let's center. मेरा 3 centimeter है. ठीक है, I'm just drawing a circle with the radius of. ठीक है, I'm just drawing this circle. Let me consider. क्या बना दिया? एक मिनट. See, if I draw with this proper, this by taking this, क्या बोलता है इसको, lens, it takes time so much. All right, so let's take this my center. ठीक है, I just drawn 3 centimeter circle. What he has given? Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter. ठीक है, मैंने क्या किया, एक डायमीटर को एक्सटेंड कर दिया, ठीक है, इसको डायमीटर एक्सटेंड कर दिया, ठीक है, I just extended like this. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? और else you can just extend like this. ठीक है, I just extended the diameter. P and Q से मुझे tangent बनाना है. मुझे क्या बनाना है? P and Q. Guys, look at this here. Yes, here I have Q. So from this P and Q, I have to make the tangents. ठीक है? From this P and Q, I have to make the tangent. This is not proper circle, perfect circle. ठीक है, मुझे ये बना दो. All right. Or else let me take this. So, guys, what is the next step to draw the tangent? बताओ, perpendicular bisector I have to draw. Let me extend this. I extended. ये होगा मेरा P point. ये होगा मेरा Q point. ठीक है? हाँ. What is the perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector का तरीका क्या होता है? More than half length I took. More than half. देखो, more than half length. ये जितना भी है more than half. ये जितना भी है इससे ज्यादा. More than half. ये जितना भी है ना more than half. So I took more than half, and from this point I just drawn this curve arc. ठीक है, इधर भी एक डाला मैंने, नीचे एक आर्क, ऊपर एक आर्क. ठीक है, हाँ, सेंटर से like more than half is nothing but what? इधर से इधर जितना भी है बेटा, इधर से इधर जितना भी है, ये आधा है ना. This is my center, which means I'm taking this much length. All right, this is the length I'm taking to draw this arc. समझ में आ रहा है आपको more than half का मतलब क्या होता है? Hello, people are able to understand or not?
Yes, sir. Basically, more than the radius of the original.
हाँ, वो भी होता है, more than half of the particular thing, radius. So drawn here from the center से भी ये मैंने एक मिनट, I drawn this from the center also. ठीक है, so from O also I just cut this, from here also I cut this. ठीक है, हाँ, from the Q also same thing. Q से भी मैंने क्या किया, more than half ले लिया, more than half distance. OQ में ऊपर एक आर्क, नीचे एक आर्क, फिर से सेंटर से, फ्रॉम सेंटर अगेन दिस आर्क, नीचे एक आर्क. समझा? People understood still this step? Guys, step by step everything is important here. How I drawn? Hello? Yes or no, people? Tell me. Huh. Look at this. Here, need not, I said there is no such rule that, whatever the length you have taken here to draw this arc, there is no rule that you have to take the same length here. आपका मर्जी, कुछ भी ले सकते हो. More than half होनी चाहिए बस. You can take more than half of that length. All right. More than half you can take it out. Is there no particular rule that whatever the length you have taken here, same length you have to take? Yes, you can take it out, but even you are not taking either even you are getting a difference in terms of mm, millimeter. Even you take difference in mm, so कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. So there is nothing is going to happen. That doesn't make a sense here. All right. So all you need to do is take more than half. Take more than half. Take more than half. All right. Yes. देखो अभी क्या करना है मुझे. I join this. So with the help of scale, join these two. इन पॉइंट से पॉज कराना है, ठीक है, ताकि हमको परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर मिले. ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट जॉइनिंग दैट. ठीक है, जॉइन दिस टू. भाई इसको थोड़ा इधर बना दो. Guys, don't make me like this, guys. You just whatever the line you have drawn, make sure that it is joining. Don't do like that. So for your understanding purpose, I'm just drawing everything here. Okay. For your understanding purpose, I'm just moving that curves actually of the arcs. It shouldn't happen with you actually. Okay, you should take proper lengths. Don't take it like that. Don't move arcs like me. Okay, I'm just moving those arc point of intersection. I'm moving just because of making sure making sure that length is very straight. So don't move actually. Take a proper length, draw karo, scale case, with the help of scale, you just draw that. Okay. Yes. I just assume this as A and this as B. Okay? Look at this. Look at this here. What I have to do now? So unextended diameters. Okay, each at a distance of 7 centimeters from the center. Each at a distance of 7 centimeters from the center. Okay, draw the tangent to the circle from these 2 points P and Q से tangent मुझे draw करना है. ठीक है? हाँ. ठीक है? Now look at this. This is assumed as A, this is assumed as B. Okay, now from A, just draw. Guys,
So just draw a circle.
1 second, guys. Here थोड़ा difficulty हो रहा है मुझे draw करने में. ठीक है? हाँ. Take A as a center. Take A as a center and AP as a consider AP as a radius. ठीक है? Take A as a center. Consider AP as a radius. हाँ. Now इस पे आर्क्स कट करो. देखो ठीक है, इधर एक आर्क, इधर एक आर्क. बी पॉइंट से इधर भी करो, इधर करो. ठीक है, समझा? इधर आर्क माने या माने. गाइस मेक श्योर दैट यू आर make sure that from here you are making an arcs. All right, yeah. हाँ, so you are making an arc. देखो बेटा, ये मैंने सेंटर लिया ना, इधर से सेंटर से if I take center, I'll be making a circle here. ठीक है, मुझे एक सर्किल बनेगा ऐसा. ठीक है, so with the center of B, समझ रहे ना what I'm trying to say here? Guys, इसको थोड़ा मिला दो भाई, इसको ऐसा. You will be getting a circle like this. All right, and with the center of B, you will be getting a circle like this. You will get a circle like this. This is not perfect circle. मुझे गालियां मत देना बस. ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ में what I have done here? Guys,
when you actually draw it out, the circle actually goes through the point O.
Yeah. देखो मैंने अच्छा मैंने क्या कर दिया ये. देखो इधर से ये हो, एक मिनट. Guys, consider this as like this. It is going through. Okay, ठीक है. हाँ. Whatever the points you got here, ये point मिला है ना मुझे. देखो A point. इसको join कर लेंगे बस. What are the points? इसको P से join कर लेंगे ऐसा. इससे join कर लेंगे. इसको Q से join कर लेंगे. बस ये हो गया मेरा tangent. समझा?
Yes, sir.
These are the tangents. What are the steps we can write from here?
Understood or not? Any doubt here? इसमें कोई doubt?
No, sir.
Children, it takes time actually to explain for me on the writing pad. I don't have proper lens. Yeah, this is how your structure. This is how the structure of your diagram would be. ठीक है, how we are getting this point of intersection, ये कहाँ से मिल रहा है मुझे, देखो समझ रहे हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाँ, डायग्राम कुछ भी डाल देंगे हम लोग. देखो एक सर्किल होगा, एक सर्किल, इसका सेंटर से एक सर्किल, इसका सेंटर से एक सर्किल बना दिया. हाँ, इधर पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन एंड इधर एक मिल गया, ऐसा ज्वाइन कर दिया ऐसे जॉन कर दिया, ये हो गया मेरा डायग्राम। ऐसा कुछ भी कौन भी बना देगा भाई। anyone can draw this circle actually, anyone can draw the diagram, but if you measure the length, एक भी नहीं ठीक रहेगा, ऐसे नहीं होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। if someone is measuring there should be a proper length, ठीक है। all right, getting my point? Any doubt? No, procedure to construction you can make it out easily. हाँ, in case he is asking you to verify, he is asking you to justify, and in case he is asking you to एक minute, in case he is asking you to find the length of the tangent is asking you to find, then what you have to do, just take इधर से एक ये बना दो, ठीक है। इधर से क्या बोलता है मेरे, ये क्या होता है 90 डिग्रीज होता है, ये ट्रायंगल ले लो, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करो, बस फाइंड आउट करो। yes or no people, yes or no? Have we done
Yes, sir.
this class? We have done that. We have a solved question on finding a length of tangent as well. Hope it is clear. इसमें कोई डाउट है? इसमें कोई डाउट है? Anyone of you?
No doubt, sir.
Very good. So this is how you must draw. Hope I cleared everyone's doubt. This is what your construction lesson is about. Whatever the question he gives, like one more, the question whichever I have given, so no one has drawn that. So people, please make sure that you are drawing that at home. Okay. The third question whichever I have given you, that is homework for you all. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.